Are you struggling with customer communication? Do you need a reliable phone system that can enhance your engagement? Meet the top inbound call center software. It's designed for businesses like yours to streamline communication effortlessly. With these tools, you can manage calls from anywhere, improve customer service, and enhance your team's performance. 1. Enjoy comprehensive features like IVR and call forwarding to optimize your operations. 2. Experience superior call quality and reliable connectivity across over 100 countries. 3. Choose from flexible pricing options that fit your budget and needs. These solutions stand out with their scalability and ease of use compared to traditional systems. Don't wait to elevate your customer interactions. Explore the best inbound call center software today. Take action now and transform your communication strategy.